back. I am Lisa and this is Brunette Wig Place, and today I am bringing you a review for Wig Studio One. So just a few reminders before I get started. Wig Studio One has an online Facebook group, which is a private group called Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. We would love for you to come over and join that group. They also have a coupon code that is good for 30% off of most of their brands, and that code is Beautiful You. So today I am wearing Hunter by Estetica in the color R14 So really cute shag type cut with a bang, and these little, sometimes with these ones that have bangs, these longer layers, you may have to like trim those a little bit when you first get the wig, you know, just to get them not to be flopping in your face. But the bangs are, you know, she definitely has a dedicated bang. But really cute piece. So let me do a turn and we can see her from all sides, and then I will get into her specs and stuff. So really cute from the front. Like I said, she just is a cute little shag cut, lots of movement. Some of the hairs are flipping up, some of them are under, so just really cute. So here's my right side. The back. My left side. And then back to the front. So as far as her measurements, so she does have this bang in the front, and the measurement that they give for the bang is 3 inches, but I have a 3-inch forehead. And as you can see, if I put the wig in its normal spot where it should be, these bangs are very much in my eyes. So what I have done is I have just pulled it back just slightly, which you can do with this type of a wig because your hairline up here is going to be covered by these bangs. So it's kind of nice. And then I am sweeping the bangs over to the side a little bit. When she came out of the box, she was more, because she does have a monofilament crown up here, she was more kind of, you know, middle parted, and which you could do, you know, and the bangs were just across the forehead. So they can be worn either way. You know, these bangs are versatile, so you can style them however you like them. If you like a straight bang across there, a straight fringe, there you go, you have it. You may have to trim it a little bit according to what the length of your forehead is. My forehead is 3 inches. But I wanted to kind of pull her over to the side a bit and sweep them, because I just really, I get kind of sensory overloaded with bangs in my face. So I just like a side swept bang. So that is how I decided to wear her. So, but you know, you have options where you can do that. So don't know if I mentioned, but the bangs are 3 inches. She is 6.75 inches from the crown. So there's a 6.75 inch layer in here. And then she has 7.25 inch sides and a 4.75 inch nape. So great length. As you can see on me, I have a 4-inch neck. So my neck is a little bit longer. If you are a little bit, you know, shorter, have a shorter neck, she may touch your shoulders more, but really great length where you're not going to get a ton of friction on those ends, which I really like. That should extend the wear of the wig for you, which is really nice. As far as the weight, she is 3.35 ounces, by the way. Very lightweight, very comfortable. So as I said, as far as cap construction, she does have a monofilament crown up here at the top. So I hope that you can see that. You can't really tell so much that there's monofilament, except for the fact that you can kind of see a little cowlick type look there. And that's the point of the monofilament, is just to make it look as if the hair is, you know, growing out of your head. But there's no need to put, you know, other mono features on this wig with this heavy fringe bang, because if you added a lace front, you would be paying for that lace front and it's not even going to show, you know. So, that's why with this collection, this is the classic collection, and this is their pure stretch cap. You know, that's part of the point, just to keep that price point down. And actually retail for this one starts at under $200, which is really nice. So, and then there is a little bit of permatease up here on the top, because you do have, you know, just cap up there, but it's very well done. It's not obvious at all. It doesn't stick up, you know, in an obnoxious type of way where it looks unnatural. I shouldn't say obnoxious. Unnatural is a better word. But you know, it just looks very good. It's very natural looking. So really cute piece. So as far as this color, this is R14 which is one of my favorites. I have had this color in Jameson and I think Dina. That's all that comes to mind right now. But I have tried this color and said, this is one of my favorite brunettes by them. So really, really love this. So this is described as a golden brown with a blonde highlight. So you can see that highlight. The highlight is visible, but the highlight is not super heavy. It's not super chunky. Just looks very, very natural, you know, the way well-placed highlights should look. So, and we'll look at her more outside and you'll be able to see those highlights better, I'm sure. And we'll also be able to look at the top of that cap and see what I'm talking about with it looking very natural. So just really, really cute. So let me pop her off and we can look at the inside of her cap. So here's that monofilament crown that I'm talking about. So that's the only place that you have any monofilament features on this particular cap. You have just a, it feels like a polyester material across there. It's not the velvety stuff that you see on Napes sometimes. And then closed lace up here on the top. You also have open wefting on the ear tabs, which keeps, you know, makes the cap very cool, but great piece of metal in there. You know, no problem with those ear tabs whatsoever. Open wefting all through the cap. She has an extended open nape. She has hook adjusters. So, and those are typical, you know, of Estetica caps. And, you know, once you get those in their little loop, I have found they stay great. I haven't had any trouble with them. So really happy with this cute little shag. Happy with the cap construction as well. Get her adjusted here. This is what I'm talking about. So I have to kind of, I put her on and she's too long, so then the bangs are too long, so I pull them back, pull the cap back just slightly, and then that puts them right in the right place on me. So really cute. So let's take her outside and we will look at Hunter in R14 8H outside in the sunshine. Okay, so we are outside with Hunter by Estetica in this 8, I always mess up this color, R14 8H. I always want to flip the letters around. Anyway, so you can kind of see those highlights. I'll step out a little more in the light here. It's kind of mostly cloudy today. There's some sun peeking through, but you can see those highlights, and hopefully in that light you can see what I'm talking about, that there's a tiny bit of tease, but it's not so obvious. Looks really, really pretty. So let me go out here and more. Oh, it's raining a little bit. That's new, just started. So you can see, I'm sorry, I didn't know it was raining. But anyway, you can see it. We have an open, our patio cover's open. So you can see that. Very pretty color. Let's go back inside. Okay, so as you can see the highlights more out there, and you can see what I'm talking about with the top, very natural looking. So I'm really, really pleased with the top. So as far as styling for her, one big thing, I actually really love to wear her tucked behind the ears. I think she looks so cute like this. This has been my favorite way to wear her. So very ear tuckable, which I love. Very friendly with the glasses, since she's got, you know, nice thin ear tabs, easy to tuck. So glasses can also go up on your head, which I love, because especially when you wear readers, they're on and off my face, on and off my face. I would rather just push them up in my hair, push them back down, you know. So just makes it a lot easier. So since she is so ear tuckable, she's also great with a little headband. She looks really cute with a headband. Oh, I didn't really show you the ear tabs, but you know, I've got really, really good coverage there with the ear tab. Very happy with, you know, the coverage around the face and everything. So really cute. But I like how you can put a headband in her, or you can tuck her behind your ears, and then you still have these bangs over your forehead. I just think that looks really, really cute. So, you know, just really, really cute style. So of course, she's got enough length that you can also pull her back in like a claw clip back here in the back, and she looks cute like that. I always like doing that because then you get kind of a little bump back here, and I just think it looks pretty. So very, very cute. And as far as a ponytail, I did get her in a ponytail, but it's going to be a little short, you know, pony. But if it's a hot day and you want to get her, you know, off your shoulders completely or whatever, you could put her in a little tiny tail. And I think she looks cute like that too, because again, you keep those bangs over the forehead, which is really nice. So she is just a really, really cute style. So I want to thank Wig Studio One for sending her to me to review today. I'm so happy to be able to review for them. There'll be information down below in the info section for purchase for her. And so thank you so much for watching, and don't forget, you're absolutely